get these correlations. So the more you are rating on your effective pain dimension, how painful it is, the less you've got binding, so the less receptors you've got. And again, you don't lightly get correlations like that, taking a complicated imaging measure and a complex behavior, unless it's real and there's something very solid about that data. I could do it for the dopaminergic system. Again, you could look at the dopamine release. So you could look at the opinergic system, the serotonergic system, the dopaminergic system. No matter what you look at, the brains are not the same as age and sex match controls. And the impact of the condition, the numbers of years of living with it, the magnitude of the effect, correlates with these measures that we're looking at in terms of, again, healthy receptor expression or, again, dopaminergic release. So, again, dramatic changes in this system, again, in fibromyalgia. You can do spectroscopy. Remember I said at the start, again, under the MR umbrella, you can look at chemical information. So GABA, our main inhibitory neurotransmitter in the brain. Again, if you think about it, if your GABA's gone wrong, you haven't got your normal. Don't forget, the brain is mostly inhibitory. It's almost like you've mostly got a brake on. Maybe now you do, because you're ready for your coffee. And then you sort of release it in order to activate. So it's actually a very inhibitory organ. If you have a problem with that system and then inhibition's off, obviously epilepsy would be a marvellous example. You have uncontrolled ectopic firing. Well, look at this data that's just been published from Dan Claw's group, again, in fibromyalgia. You're looking at, again, structures like the insula, the anterior insula, cingulate, key areas involved in perception. You're measuring the chemicals now in that area. You're looking at GABA, your major inhibitory neurotransmitter. And you are looking at significant differences, again, between the fibromyalgia and the healthy controls. Actually, it's not quite significant there, but you've got a trend down for this one. It just doesn't make it here. But when you look at the amount of GABA and how that correlates with, again, pressure pain, you get these beautiful relationships between, if you've got less